Explore the hidden caves and crystal waters of Capri by boat. The ultimate guide. Capri, one of Italy's most enchanting islands, is a paradise of dramatic cliffs, hidden grottos, and mesmerizing turquoise waters. The best way to uncover the island's secrets is by boat, where you can glide along the rugged coastline, discover mystical sea caves, and take refreshing swims in secluded coves. Whether you prefer a luxurious private yacht, a self-driven boat, or a group excursion, this guide will ensure you make the most of your maritime adventure in Capri. Discover the enchanting sea caves of Capri. Capri boasts an incredible network of sea caves, each with its own unique character and beauty. Exploring these grottos by boat is a must-do experience. Blue Circle. The Blue Grotto, Grotta Azzurra, the crown jewel of Capri. The Blue Grotto is Capri's most famous attraction, known for its stunning electric blue waters that glow due to sunlight passing through an underwater cavity. Visitors enter through a tiny meter-high opening while lying flat in a small rowboat. Once inside, the cave expands into a magical, echoing chamber where the surreal blue glow illuminates everything. Best time to visit: early morning before 9 a.m., to avoid long queues. Entrance fee: €18 per person, includes rowboat service. How to get there? Accessible via boat from Marina Grande or by a staircase from Anna Capri. Fun fact: in Roman times, the cave was used as Emperor Tiberius' private swimming pool. Pushpin. Important note: swimming inside the Blue Grotto is prohibited during normal visiting hours, but private tours sometimes allow night swims under special circumstances. Green Heart. The Green Grotto, Grotta Verde, a swimmer's paradise. A lesser-known but equally stunning cave, the Green Grotto gets its name from the vibrant emerald green reflections created by sunlight filtering through the water. Unlike the Blue Grotto, you can swim freely inside, making it a favorite for snorkelers and divers. Best for swimming, snorkeling, and capturing magical green reflections. How to get there? Best accessed via private boat tour or rental. White Circle. The White Grotto, Grotta Bianca, a natural limestone wonder. The White Grotto is famous for its towering white limestone formations and intricate stalactites and stalagmites. It consists of both a lower sea cave and an upper grotto, which can be accessed by climbing a few rocky steps. Unique feature: a natural rock formation inside resembles the Virgin Mary. Perfect for photographers and geology enthusiasts. Black Heart. The Red and Coral Grottos, hidden gems. These smaller, lesser-known caves are home to brilliant red and orange coral formations growing along the rock walls. Since they are off the beaten path, many boat captains can take you there upon request. Pushpin tip: the Coral Grotto is best explored on a private boat tour, where you can stop and admire the delicate coral up close. Best ways to explore Capri by boat. Speedboat. Depending on your budget and preferences, there are several ways to enjoy a boat trip around Capri. Glowing Star Private Boat Tour, the ultimate Capri experience. What's included? A luxury boat with a private captain, allowing you to customize your itinerary and stop wherever you like. Price range: €200 to €1,000 plus for a half-day or full-day tour, depending on the boat type: speedboat, yacht, or traditional wooden gozzo boat. Perfect for couples, families, or small groups who want a VIP experience. Added luxury: many tours offer prosecco, fresh fruit, and a sunset aperitif on board. Pushpin top private boat companies. Johnny's Boat, Blue Sea Capri, Capri Wales. Speedboat. Self-drive boat rental. Be your own captain. Why choose this? Enjoy total freedom to explore at your own pace. Rental price: €100 to €200 for a half-day. License needed. No license is required for small boats, up to 40 HP. Best for adventurous travelers comfortable with navigating on their own. Pushpin things to know before renting. Heavy checkmark: the sea can get rough in the afternoon. Morning rentals are recommended. Heavy checkmark: always follow no entry zones to protect marine life. Sailboat group boat excursion. Affordable and social. Price: €40–80 per person for a 2 to 3 hour shared tour. Inclusions: visits to major caves, but usually excludes the Blue Grotto. Best for solo travelers or budget-conscious visitors. Pushpin popular group tours. Motoscafisti Capri. Laser Capri. Best swimming and snorkeling spots person swimming. Desert Island Marina Piccola. A tranquil bay near the Faraglioni Rocks, perfect for swimming. Water Wave Colla Ventroso. A hidden snorkeling paradise with crystal clear water. Beach with Umbrella Punta Carina. Near the Capri Lighthouse, known for its deep, calm waters. Pushpin tip: bring a snorkel mask to explore Capri's vibrant marine life, including colorful fish and coral formations. Best time to visit Capri by boat. Cherry blossom April, June and September. October. Ideal weather with fewer crowds. Sun July and August. Peak season. Book in advance and go early. Sunrise morning versus afternoon. Mornings have calmer waters, while afternoons offer golden hour lighting for dreamy photos. 5. What to bring for your boat tour. Heavy checkmark swimsuit and towel. You'll want to take a dip. Heavy checkmark snorkel gear. Explore the underwater world. Heavy checkmark sunscreen and hat. The sun can be intense on the water. Heavy checkmark waterproof camera. Capture the glowing caves. Heavy checkmark snacks and water. Stay hydrated and energized. Pushpin bonus tip: wear water shoes for stepping onto rocky areas. Bonus: romantic sunset tours sunrise. For a magical evening experience, consider a sunset boat tour with prosecco and fresh fruit. As the sun sets behind the Faraglioni Rocks, the sky transforms into shades of pink, orange and gold, creating a perfectly romantic setting. Pushpin best sunset tour companies. Capri Boat Service. Lucibello Boats. How to book a boat tour. Online in advance. Recommended in peak season. At Marina Grande. Walk along the marina and negotiate directly. Through your hotel. Many accommodations arrange boat tours. Pushpin, would you like recommendations for the best local boat operators? Let me know how I can help plan your perfect Capri boat adventure. Speedboat Sparkles.